We feeling good? Let's slow things down a little bit, just a little bit. This is a song called Rainy Days. Early morning, wake up to you wrapped around my chest. Rain is pouring, sunshine left and down came clouds instead. Stormy weather, but you and I stay dry under these sheets. Lay your head, close your eyes and go right fast asleep. Listen. So take care of me and I'll be good to you. So what you wanna do, baby? So take care of me and I'll be good to you. Head on shoulders, arms in a lock and your hair in my face. Getting warmer, legs intertwined, wouldn't mind staying the day. Make sure to love her, said her father and mother to me the other day. Told me I'm better than her formers. Told me she's a little hard-headed, too stubborn on the better days. Has a short temper to match your last seen better days. But she'll love you like no other. So take care of me and I'll be good to you. So what you wanna do, baby? So take care of me and I'll be good to you. Come on. She told me never leave your side. I told you I'm not going away. We got a solid roof over our heads. It takes more than clouds to screw over my day. Heavy clouds and stormy weather, that shit don't matter. Rainy days and stupid fights come again another night. So take care of me